Walking out to the transport, to the parasail. Well, the water's clear. Like, booyah!
Yeah! Fuck yeah!
Look at that down there, man.
Oh my god. Wow!
This is so badass.
Yeah.
Look, see how quiet it is up here.
Wow, it's wild.
Yeah.
Beautiful snow on the mountains, blue lake.
So for the recording, we found out that this is we'll be going up about 800 feet.
800 feet above.
Yeah, 800 feet. This is badass, man.
Wow.
Okay, man, we're
Getting a little more air here.
yeah,
Hit a little thermal. There we go.
we're about oh, a good 800 feet up in the air now. Yeah. Definitely incredible.
Land us in a swimming pool over here.
You think if we could have had taken a Bloody Mary up, well, this trip would have been perfect.
Yep.
Actually, it is perfect for real. A little jet ski action. There's Elsie way over there, and I can see her looking out of the back of the truck. Can you see her?
Yeah.
I can see her. She's out looking around.
Where is he?
Yeah, like, bring me some bread, bitch. That's so cool. Oh yeah!
Running on the water.
Yeah. Running on empty. The ultimate BLM.